My name is Meintjes. I'm an infectious diseases physician and a professor of medicine, as well as the second chair of medicine at the University of Cape Town. And I'm a clinician scientist, and my main area of focus of research is on the interaction of HIV and tuberculosis. Our research sites are based in Khayelitsha, which is a large community of almost 500,000 people with very high rates of HIV and TB. The research that my group undertakes is focused on the problems that develop in patients with advanced HIV and the complications that occur in those patients with very weakened immune systems. HIV still results in several 100,000 deaths per year in people in Africa, and so it's critically important that we develop better methods for diagnosing the conditions that result in those deaths. In Europe and America, antiretroviral therapy has resulted in a dramatic decrease in deaths due to HIV. It's still very common in Africa for people to die from HIV and its complications, and that's the focus of our research, to develop better tools for diagnosing those infections, for preventing them and for treating them. The participants that we've recruited into our study are often vulnerable people, sick with HIV and TB and its complications, and they place trust and confidence in our research group in a time in their lives in which they're particularly vulnerable. And I'm very grateful for them volunteering to participate in our research and thereby contributing towards the scientific findings. So the award of this prize from the Edctp is a highlight of my career to date. It's a recognition of the work that our research group has done, and I'm grateful to everybody who's worked long hours, gone beyond the call of duty, for all of their time, energies and commitment towards successful research. So I'm very grateful for the cash award that is associated with this prize. My intention is to use that award to support one of my postgraduate students who will nest a project in the trial that we're currently doing to understand how the immune response in that context contributes towards the mortality associated with the condition. The diseases that Edctp focuses on in terms of the funding are the diseases that affect the poorest people in Africa. Infectious diseases such as HIV, TB, neglected tropical diseases, malaria, that really have hampered socioeconomic development and contributed towards the cycle of poverty in Africa. By investing in people in Africa who can help to understand those problems, to develop solutions for those problems, it will contribute towards socioeconomic development in Africa and help to break the cycle of poverty that is contributed to by these infectious diseases in our continent.